Hey guys, welcome back. A new OTA update is rolling out right now for OnePlus 6T users. It's a bug fix update of size 95 MB, OxygenOS version is 9.0.6 and the update includes optimizations for system, network, third-party apps and camera. This is a staged rollout, so you might not get the update right away. If you want the update right now, use any VPN app, set the country to Canada, and once you got connected to the VPN, check for updates. You will get the update notification now, and now you can disconnect from the VPN and continue to download and install the update. So I have downloaded, installed the update and rebooted my phone. Checking the OS version, settings, about phone. OxygenOS version is 9.0.6 with November 1 security patch and the build date is November 17. About the changes, first the launcher has been updated. Now the app drawer customizations are under launcher settings and the launcher version is 3.1.3, same as that of OnePlus 6 Open Beta 7. Next there are optimizations for screen lock. The in-display fingerprint scanner is still a hit and miss, and I'm not really a fan of the FP sensor of this phone, and sometimes I find it really hard to locate the exact position of the scanner, especially when I'm outdoors. Anyways, moving on, next there are optimizations for standby power consumption. If you go to battery tab, battery optimization, 3-dot menu, advanced optimization, and here you can see that there is sleep standby optimization, which helps in optimizing the battery life when you are asleep. And the update includes some other general bug fixes and improvements related to the system. Next, regarding the network, they have fixed issues with adding VPN for Verizon network. With previous updates, some users had issues with receiving notifications from Google Play Store, and that has been fixed now. Finally, they have optimized the camera app image processing, and the new camera app version is 2.10.11. So that's all about the changes and improvements. Unfortunately, this update doesn't include the OxygenOS new features like video enhancer mode and OnePlus roaming, which were recently made available for OnePlus 6 users via Open Beta update. As there are no Open Betas yet available for 6T, maybe 6T users will get them with next stable update. About the benchmarks, Antutu version 7 score is 2,92,757, Geekbench 4 single core and multi-core scores are 2427 and 8977 respectively. So that is it. If you have any questions or video requests regarding 6T, drop a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you all soon in my next video.